All right, guys, so today we are going to be taking some notes. So I need for you to pause this video here. If you have not already made a copy of your Living Organisms notebook, of course, you're not going to be scanning the QR code. You need to click the link that is in Echo to make a copy. So if you've not done that yet, pause now and do that. All right. We're going to go ahead and begin. You're going to be completing slides 3, 4, and 5 in your notebook today. What is a cell? Unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. You learned about those yesterday in the Discovery Center. All right. So, first up, what is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of life, the building blocks for multicelled organisms. Just like animals, cells have organs called organelles. A nucleus holds all the genetic material, mitochondria that breaks down the nutrients into energy, and a cell membrane that protects the cell from invaders. There are over 15 trillion cells in the human body. More than 15 trillion. That's 15 with 9 zeros, y'all. That's a lot. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you do not have your notebook split screen with mine, I want you to pause now and go ahead and do that. Pull up your science notebook and then slide over the link for this video to the right side of your iPad screen. And I know mine's going backwards, sorry. So I guess you should be going this way. I don't know. All right. Y'all know what to do. All right, so now that we're split screen and you're taking notes and you're pausing the video as you need to, we're going to continue on and we're going to talk about unicellular organisms. So remember, pause the video as you need to if you need to catch up and type in on slides 3, 4, and 5. This is slide 4 for you. An organism made of just one cell is a unicellular organism. And the thing that's really cool about unicellular organisms is they complete all life processes in just that one single cell. So you learned about some yesterday. So right now I want you to pause the video and I want you to try to drag and drop the labels for each type of these unicellular organisms into the correct place. So pause my video and try to do that. Alright, so if you said the first one was amoeba, you are correct. And the second one is euglena. And the last one is the paramecium. I've messed that all up. Alright, guys. Now, if you're still catching up, pause it. If not, let's move on to slide 5. Oh, whoops. Unicellular organisms are also called single-celled organisms. Make sure you put that on there. Now we can move on to slide 5. All right, multicellular organisms. We break this word down. It literally says multiple cells. Multicellular means many cells make up the organism. So an organism with more than one cell has specialized cells to complete life functions. For example, grapes and grass and caterpillars and cute little shrews, which kind of like a mouse or a mole, a big mouse or a mole. The thing that's interesting about these is they if we look at the shrew, for example, it has different cells that make up its hair versus its eyes. Of course, they look very different. They feel very different. Unlike those unicellular organisms that just look like a blob. So multicellular organisms are capable of doing more things, and they have many, many more cells than unicellular organisms. All right, pause the video if you need to at this time.